One of the most exciting things about the Tomato firmware is the FTP server. So just like I showed you in the last video where we used FileZilla to transfer files to and from our network-attached storage, we can also accomplish the same thing only using our mobile device. Simply locate an FTP app on the Android or the iPhone marketplace, and once you have it installed, you need to add the FTP server. Once you add the FTP server, you can select whether you want to use a public domain, or maybe if you're doing it locally, you would enter the host name of that router. Be sure to enter the username and password, and optionally you can select the remote directory and the local directory on your device so that when you connect, you're connected to the proper directories. In this case, I've set up two FTP servers, one for NAS local and one for NAS remote. NAS local, just like we did in FileZilla, utilizes simply the router's host name, and this will not allow me to connect outside of my network. It will only work within my LAN. NAS remote utilizes my public domain name, and I'm able to do that because I have dynamic DNS set up on my router, so I'm fully accessible from the internet. Once you click Connect, the FTP client app will log into the FTP server based on the user's credentials. And as we showed you in the last video, you will end up in the directory that you have permissions for. So in this case, I have permissions to documents and images and media. However, I'd like to upload some photos directly from my phone right into the images folder. Now that we've navigated to the folder on the FTP server that we want to work with, simply click Device File Browser to switch to the browser for your local device. My Android device is configured to save images inside of the DCIM folder, so I'll navigate into that now. From here, all I have to do is select the images that I want to upload on my local device and click Upload to upload those to my USB device connected to my router. Once the files have finished uploading, simply click OK and then select the FTP file browser to view them on your NAS. And there we are. We have successfully uploaded images directly to our network-attached storage device from our mobile phone. And if you have file sharing enabled on your network, you can also access your data from any client device on your network.